name's Hillaria. I graduated from the Bachelor of Business International Restaurant Management back in 2014. After graduating from Le Cordon Bleu, I did my master's degree in marketing, and since then as well, I've been working in various different establishments. I always wanted to know how the operational is different from cafe, hotels, fine dining restaurants. Currently, I'm working with the Alumni department in Le Cordon Bleu, Australia. I don't always know that I want to work in hospitality. I always have a lot of different passion and different interest. I love singing, crafting, and arts, and a lot of designs, a lot of different things that I like. But what I find very similar in all of those various interests, I would say, is I want to make people feel good. And from there, I trace things, and then I end up in hospitality in the end, because I realize with hospitality, then I can pretty much bring everything together and follow that ultimate passion. The most valuable thing in Le Cordon Bleu while I was studying, and I would like to share with the current student, is it really opens my eyes, especially with different cultures that I was exposed to while studying in Le Cordon Bleu. It is an international school, and so I've met a lot of different students from different backgrounds, from different countries and continents, and not just the students, but also the lecturers. And that actually gives me the advantage of being able in the industry. Then I understand the different cultures out there, especially in Australia, and I know how to deal with them. Food quality management and business law. It's because at first it came across, I thought it's going to be quite dry and difficult and too much details, but how Le Cordon Bleu actually put it across is they put a lot of interesting excursion, and they actually make it really fun. My advice to the new students is probably to stay humble. Remember that there's always a sky above the sky. Every single person that you meet in the industry, you can always learn something from someone else. My favorite moment while studying in Le Cordon Bleu, I would say that I've met my partner. But in all seriousness, I'm really glad that I studied with Le Cordon Bleu. The whole experience was amazing. I've made so many new people and friends, not just friends while I was studying, but long life friends that I have emotional attachment into. The story why I chose Le Cordon Bleu is a little bit of a sliding door. At first I was actually enrolled in a different university with a different program, but circumstances, it just didn't work out. So in last minute, our next choice was Le Cordon Bleu, Australia. Unfortunately, at the time, the degree that I wanted to do was only available in Adelaide. So I went to Adelaide, but it has changed my life. I've met the love of my life. I've met so many friends, so many life-changing opportunities.